How to open recently closed tabs on a Chrome iPhone. So before we start this tutorial, please make sure that you hit subscribe and ring that bell. Okay, here we go. First off, just open your Chrome browser from your iOS device, from your iPhone for example. You can open a new tab and just do whatever, like I'll open this tab for example. Okay, and then I will close it. Now to actually open or reopen recently closed tab, all you need to do is just to click on the three dots button on the bottom right and choose recent tabs. Okay, and now as you can see that there are recently closed tabs list. You can choose whichever one of them. So for example, I will choose this one, and now it is reopened on a new tab. And that's pretty much how to open recently closed tabs on Chrome iPhone. If you find this tutorial to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, please put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps, and until the next tutorial YouTube, bye.